Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can deploy ETHIX MD for free with easiest method ever. So you have to put your number and enter the code in your WhatsApp and your bot will be deployed. So here is the easiest way to deploy a bot free. So in this video I will show you how you can deploy it free. So let's start the video. So first of all, go to my description or pin comment and click on the link which I provide you in the description or pin comment. After this, you have to search it, and now you can see the interface. You have to put simply your number without plus sign. You can copy the steps I am doing in this video and watch full video for 100% working process. So I will put my number. So I am putting this is my number, and here I don't put the plus sign in my number. You have to simply click on generate pairing code and copy the code and click on enter code to link a new device. So I am linking my device. So our device is now linked. If we go back and check our chat, so this is the proof. You can see here our bot is now connected to bot ETHIX MD v3 developer version sector. You can see the time, the link device. I connect my device. The time was 10:59 p.m. and now 11:59 p.m. So this is our bot ETHIX MD v3.